Hey, hi, it's me, your friendly neighborhood conspiracy theorist. Today we're doing this look with this guy, the Mini Controversy. So, yes, I love this collab. I love Jeffree, I love Shane, I love everything. So if you want to see how I did this, then keep on watching. Okay, based on Brows Done, Eyes Primed, we can move on to the fun stuff. I asked Dean to pick a color, but I sent him a picture. I shouldn't have done that. I should have, anyways, and he picked Flat Earth, so that's going to be like the star of my show, I guess. So I'm going to start with Cancelled down here. And I'm going to put that out here. And in the crease. So like outer third-ish kind of area, and in the crease. Next I'm going to take, whoops, I'm going to take the Simulation and put that out here to deepen it up. I'm going to go back into Cancelled and put that all on the lower lash line. And then I'm going to take Flat Earth. It's blue. You can see on the camera. Can you see it's blue? Yes. I'm going to take that and blend out all of these edges. All down, all here, there, everywhere. And then I'm taking Flat Earth again. And putting it all on the lid. I think we're going to do an all matte look today. Gonna blend these edges a little bit. I like this. So I'm gonna keep taking Flat Earth, and I'm gonna do my brow bone and inner corner. Oh, I really like this. So this is the eyeshadow. I'm really liking this all matte kind of look. I'm gonna put liner, mascara, blah blah blah, and come back. So here are the eyes done. I didn't put any liner like on my top lash line like I did the tight line, but not like on my actual skin, because I wanted more of this blue to show through. Wow. Alright, let's finish the face. Contour. I'm using my little Smashbox. Oop, almost dropped it. Smashbox kit. Bronzer, same kit. I'm going to do this blush from my Hourglass palette. This is Surreal Effect. Alright. I'm not going to bother putting highlight on. For lips, I'm just going to put on the gloss in Shane Dawson. So this is the finished look with the Mini Controversy. I like it. I mean, I just used the blues, and that's my first time using it, so I can't tell you how good the whole thing is, but Jeffree has like the best eyeshadow formula like ever, so I have high hopes for the rest of these colors. But yeah, this is the look. I love it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll definitely be doing more videos with this soon, maybe in the future. Yeah, so that was that. Thanks for watching. Bye.